Hey guys, I'm Tara. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to take you through a guided meditation that's designed to help boost your creativity. So this is really good to do if you're at a place in your life where you're feeling kind of stuck. This meditation can kind of help get your ideas flowing and help you, in essence, get unstuck. I think a lot of times we think of creativity as being related to things that are more like artsy or art related, but that's not really true. We all have creativity in our own way, and it's really just coming up with new ideas and, in essence, creating. The meditation I'm going to take you through today and what I'm going to guide you through is a meditation I use personally. I use it when I am feeling more stuck and I feel like I'm having trouble coming up with new ideas. After I do this meditation, I really feel like, a lot of times I'll have to sit and write down because I'll have a lot of ideas that are flowing to me, but it might take some time to get there. You might not, have that after just one meditation. You might have to do it a few times. But yeah, it's really powerful for me, so I want to share it with you guys, and I hope that you enjoy it and that you feel a nice boost in creativity after. So go ahead and find your comfortable seated position. So you want to have your spine straight, so you do want to sit up for this meditation. So that's really the only rule. Otherwise, whatever you need to get comfortable. If you want to prop a cushion underneath your butt to prop you up, sometimes that's a little more comfortable. That's how I like to meditate. You could put something underneath your knees. You can sit kneeling. Really, there's so many options. I have a whole video that goes over different options for meditating and how to get comfortable, so I will link that down below for you guys. With all that said, go ahead, find your comfortable seated position, close down your eyes, and prepare for today's meditation. So sitting in your comfortable position, go ahead and close your eyes and let your hands relax on your legs with your palms facing up today. This is a gesture of receptivity, being ready to receive new energy, new ideas. So this goes with our theme today as we are clearing the mind to allow for new ideas to form and flow. Go ahead and tune into your breath. Just bringing your awareness to your inhales and exhales, as this allows us to move our focus out of the wandering mind. On the inhale, feel your belly expand with air. On the exhale, feel it contract back in. Inhale, belly fills with air. Exhale, belly falls back in. Keep breathing this way, keeping all your attention on your breath. Imagine that on your inhales, you're inhaling fresh, new energy into your body. And on your exhales, any old, stuck energy is leaving. Inhale, fresh, new energy. Exhale, old, stuck energy. Take a few more breaths like this. Start to move your awareness to the field of energy surrounding your body. Notice where your awareness settles. Where does this awareness settle for you? The unconscious mind knows where the body needs work, so just let it do its thing. Don't think about it too much. Imagine any old, stuck, stagnant energy flowing out of your body into this field around you. You may feel this around your entire body. You may feel this at one point in your body, or you may not feel much of anything at all. And if that's the case, be okay with this. You can't force it, regardless if you feel it or not. Your focus is still here, so the work is happening. Keeping that imagery of old, stuck energy flowing out of your body into the field around you. This transfer of energy is making room for new energy to flow in. Stay with this feeling. If you find your mind wandering at all, just bring your attention back to this field of energy around you. Start to bring your attention back to your breath and feel it flowing freely in and out. Imagine a white light surrounding your body now. This white light represents new, fresh, beautiful energy, an energy that is there for you to create, to allow your creativity to flow, to allow new ideas to flow. Keep breathing into this white light. Start to draw your awareness back into your body, still focusing on the breath. Start to bring your awareness back to the surroundings and the room around you. You could wiggle your fingers and toes. And then go ahead and bring your hands into prayer at your heart. Still keeping your eyes closed. And go ahead and bow down, placing your forehead on the ground in front of you to neutralize this energy, to bring you back into the physical space. You can start to sit up with the hands in prayer at your heart. And show yourself some gratitude for showing up for today's meditation. Thank you for sharing this meditation with me today. Namaste.